What could this possibly be advertising? Prolongation exceptionnel. It's day 2 in Sarasay, and it is raining pretty hard. It's supposed to thunderstorm all day today, and we are gonna go to, we were thinking of going to tour, but I think we're probably gonna end up going to Le Mans, which is this town nearby, which is famous for car racing. Okay, we're driving a Porsche, which I guess is like a fancy car. I don't know cars. We're going to Le Mans, which is a town all about cars. And so I'm sure we'll appreciate it a lot. Wow.
Oh my god, I'm into this. I just got so much more excited because Jackson Brown is playing.
Oh my gosh.
Please, please stay. This is like one of my favorite songs of all time.
We should go up this staircase.
Wow, this is gorgeous.
Okay, we're in Le Mans, and it just stopped raining, which is great. And there's these 3 race car drivers getting interviewed in the main square. Apparently, it's a 24-hour race around an 8-mile track, so it's really not that fun to watch because you only basically just see cars going by like every, like, I don't know, half an hour or whatever. Depending on how fast they go. I really don't know how fast they go.
There's plenty pretty boys and a dance hall every night. But Mr. It's you who caught my eye. Who caught my eye? If I only had the guts, I would tell you right. I would tell you right. Instead, I'm sitting in the corner watching you swirling girls from left to right. Mr. It's you.
Okay, so we're trying to go to the Automobile Museum, and I think we accidentally got onto the racetrack where the 24-hour race is happening. So maybe we're gonna accidentally get to the starting line, and then we're just gonna have to race. That's usually what happens in this scenario, I feel. Not really anything we can do about it now, though.
Yeah, we're in it now.
Maybe we go back this way? This sortie? Où est le musée? Pardon? Où est le musée? Yeah? Yeah? Musée? Oh, okay. We're in the car museum. Well, here's a blue car. 69. I see the French have a sense of humor. Motorcycles. This is, yeah, a car museum. We're gonna come and see the cars. Here's another car. Looks like the other car. And another car. Also basically looks the same as that other car. This one has one of these tail things though. Kristen, what is this thing? Oh, you're not here. Look at that. It's got some fish gills or whatever. What are those things called?
What?
The tail.
The tail.
What are those things?
It's
what is it called? I know there's a word for it.
Mhm. It's like a beater. It's like a.
No.
It's like a wolf. fell apart.
We don't know anything about cars.
They say that there is plenty fish in the sea, but honey, I only got eyes for you. You see, the other boys just don't do it for me.
No one wants to get hit by a car in a convertible.
Right, yeah, you're right. That would suck. You would fly right out of this car. I'm gonna do that artsy thing where you like, oh, I can't do that though because there's a pole. Oh man. I was trying to do that artsy thing where you like show one part of the car at a time. Oh, you're right. Oh, here, I'll do it. The Martini team. Okay, I'm gonna do that artsy thing.